Hey guys, this is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and today we are going over one of the smallest fifth wheels that we carry. This is the Grand Design Reflection 226 RK. At under 27 foot long and right at 7,000 pounds, it is easily towable for half-ton trucks, and it is actually designed with them as well. So up here at the very front of this coach, you've got the Curt turning point hitch. It's different from any other hitch on the market because it is designed for a 5.5 foot bed. So you can actually do a 90-degree turn with a 5.5 foot half-ton truck. So on this coach, you've got full auto level system. You've got a massive amount of pass-through storage up front with this coach. And then with the Reflection in standards, you've got the tankless hot water heater as well. Y'all have got to come check this one out. At only 27 foot long, this Reflection is absolutely loaded with space on the interior. You've got a huge rear kitchen in this coach with plenty of storage, a big farmhouse undermounted sink with a pull-down sprayer, huge 3-burner stovetop with an oven, and then you've also got it with Furrion's 10 cubic foot 12 volt electric refrigerator as well. This 226 RK makes the absolute perfect couples coach with heated and massaging recliners plus a fold down center console, booth dinette that does lay down as a bed just in case you have to bring somebody else with you, and then plenty of space up here in the bedroom also. For such a small camper, this thing has a huge bathroom. With a 36-inch shower and a true porcelain toilet, you've got all the space you need. Plus, it has a tankless hot water heater as well, so that you'll never run out of a hot shower. Guys, back here in the bedroom, you've got a true residential queen-size bed. So this is a true 60 by 80. Plenty of storage up top, plenty of cabinetry space on each side, plus little built-in nightstands as well. And on this coach, we actually ordered this little 27-footer with 2 air conditioners as well, so you will be able to get this bedroom ice cold during the summer. Guys, I've got this one as the perfect couples coach. I've even got one to fit the whole family. Y'all have got to come check us out here at Moix RV in Conway.